Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the global version, the original, brand new. Best-selling wind turbine reviews 2025 product on AliExpress with discount price, check discount. Price and buy from description below link. Wind turbine generators, harnessing the power of the wind. 1. Introduction. Wind energy is one of the most promising renewable energy sources available to mankind. As concerns about climate change and depleting fossil fuel reserves grow, there is a pressing need for sustainable energy solutions. Among these, wind turbines have emerged as a key player in the global transition towards clean energy. A wind turbine generator, WTG, converts kinetic energy from wind into mechanical energy, which is then transformed into electrical energy. This simple yet powerful concept has revolutionized how energy is produced and consumed around the world. The use of wind energy dates back thousands of years, but it is only in the last few decades that wind turbines have become a viable and efficient method of large-scale electricity generation. This report explores the technology behind wind turbine generators, their development, advantages, challenges, and future potential. From their basic components and operational principles to their role in the modern energy grid, wind turbines represent a cornerstone of the renewable energy revolution. 2. Historical background. Wind power has been used for centuries, primarily for grinding grain and pumping water. Early windmills, which originated in Persia around 500–900 AD, were used for mechanical tasks rather than electricity generation. In the 19th century, wind energy started being used to generate electricity, especially in remote areas not connected to the main power grid. The first wind turbine for electricity production was built in 1887 by Professor James Blyth in Scotland. Shortly afterward, Charles F. Brush in the United States constructed a large wind-powered electric generator, showcasing its feasibility. However, it was not until the 1970s oil crisis that governments and industries began investing seriously in wind energy research and development. Today, wind turbines are a critical component of global energy infrastructure, with significant installations across Europe, North America, and Asia. Technological advances have led to the development of more efficient, reliable, and cost-effective wind turbine systems, enabling broader adoption worldwide. 3. How wind turbine generators work. Wind turbine generators function on a relatively simple principle. They convert the kinetic energy of wind into mechanical energy and then into electrical energy. 3.1 The basic working principle. Wind turns the blades. When wind flows over the turbine blades, it creates lift, like in airplane wing, causing the blades to spin. Rotor drives the shaft. The blades are connected to a rotor, which turns a central shaft. Shaft connects to a generator. The shaft turns the generator, producing electricity. 3.2 Key components. Rotor blades capture wind energy, typically made of fiberglass or carbon fiber for strength and lightness. Hub connects the blades to the rotor. Gearbox increases the rotational speed for the generator. Generator converts mechanical energy to electrical energy using electromagnetic induction. Nacelle houses the gearbox, generator, and other components. Tower elevates the turbine to catch stronger and steadier winds. Control system monitors wind speed and direction, adjusting the turbine as needed. Brake system stops the blades in extreme wind conditions or during maintenance. 4. Types of wind turbines. Wind turbines are generally classified by the orientation of their rotor shaft and the location of their installation. 4.1 Horizontal axis wind turbines, HAWTs, most common type, resembles a giant fan, more efficient than vertical axis turbines, typically used in large-scale wind farms. 4.2 Vertical axis wind turbines, VAWTs, rotor shaft is vertical, can capture wind from any direction. Easier to maintain since generator is at the base. Less efficient, used in niche applications. 4.3 Onshore wind turbines, installed on land. Easier and Cheaper to install and maintain. Face limitations due to noise and visual impact concerns. 4.4. Offshore wind turbines. Installed in bodies of water. Capture stronger and more consistent winds. More expensive but capable of producing more energy. 5. Technological advancements. Wind turbine technology has evolved significantly in recent years. 5.1 Blade design. Modern blades are longer and more aerodynamically optimized, increasing efficiency and power output. Materials like carbon fiber help reduce weight while maintaining strength. 5.2 Smart turbines. Integration of sensors, AI, and IoT devices enables real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and performance optimization. 5.3 Variable speed generators. Allow turbines to operate efficiently under different wind conditions, reducing mechanical stress and increasing lifespan. 5.4 Direct drive systems. Eliminate the need for a gearbox, reducing maintenance and improving reliability. 6. Benefits of wind turbines. 6.1 Environmental benefits. Zero emissions during operation. No water consumption. Reduced dependence on fossil fuels. 6.2 Economic benefits. Creates jobs in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance. Provides stable energy costs over time. Encourages energy independence. 6.3 Energy security. Diversifies energy sources and reduces vulnerability to geopolitical instability in oil and gas markets. 7. Challenges and limitations. 7.1. Intermittency. Wind is variable and unpredictable, requiring backup systems or energy storage. 7.2. Noise and aesthetics. Some communities oppose wind farms due to noise and their impact on landscapes. 7.3 Impact on wildlife. Bird and bat fatalities are a concern, prompting design and siting improvements. 7.4 High initial cost. Although operating costs are low, upfront investment is significant. 7.5 Land use. Requires large areas, though the land can often still be used for agriculture. 8. Global wind energy landscape. Wind energy adoption varies globally, with some countries leading the charge. 8.1 China. Largest producer and consumer of wind energy. Significant government support and infrastructure. 8.2 United States. Large wind farms in Texas, Iowa, and California. Federal and state incentives have boosted growth. 8.3 Germany. Pioneer in wind energy policy. Over 20% of its electricity comes from wind. 8.4 Denmark. World leader in wind energy penetration. Over 40% of electricity from wind. 8.5 India. Expanding rapidly, especially in Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. Focus on both onshore and offshore development. 9. Future of wind energy. The future of wind energy is bright, driven by innovation and policy support. 9.1 Floating wind turbines. Allow turbines to be placed in deeper waters, opening new areas for development. 9.2 Hybrid systems. Combining wind with solar and storage for more reliable energy. 9.3 Grid integration. Smarter grids enable better distribution and management of wind energy. 9.4 Advanced materials. New composites will make blades lighter, stronger, and more efficient. 9.5 Artificial intelligence. AI will play a bigger role in predictive maintenance, energy forecasting, and optimization. 10. Conclusion. Wind turbine generators represent a crucial technology in the fight against climate change. Their ability to generate clean, renewable energy from an abundant natural resource positions them as a key component of a sustainable future. While challenges exist, ongoing research and innovation continue to enhance their efficiency, reliability, and integration into energy systems worldwide. As global demand for energy continues to rise, wind energy offers a path towards sustainability, economic growth, and environmental protection. With strong policy support and technological advancement, wind turbines will continue to shape the energy landscape for generations to come. These choices may be out of date. All of these products may not be in stores. We don't know when this will be back in stock. You need to go Best Wind Turbine 2025 review. Link to see the most recent updates to the list. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.